All right, this video is going to be pretty short and to the point. In this video, what we want to do is we want to connect our autoresponder to ClickFunnels, okay? So if I go over here to ClickFunnels and I go to the integration section here in the top right-hand corner, and then I scroll down and I go to my integrations, it looks like it's already right here. And you can see that I've connected GetResponse. Of course, I'm no longer using GetResponse, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click Add New Integration. And then you're going to select whatever autoresponder, whatever integration you're using from this menu here. Now, you're going to notice that, of course, Kartra is not here to be found. There's a manual way where you can integrate web forms into ClickFunnels as well. And I'm going to show you that in the next video when we import my funnel into your account. But if you are using something like Aweber, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, GetResponse, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on whichever autoresponder you're using. And then you're going to enter a nickname here. So like if it's Josh's Aweber account, I would put that here, and then I would select Connect Integration. And what it's going to do is it's going to connect to aweber.com, and it's going to recognize our account, and it's going to signal the API, and it's going to connect that API with ClickFunnels API, and that's how they're going to communicate with each other. Okay. What I would urge you to do is I would urge you to go to Google whenever you have any questions whatsoever. If something's not making sense, if something's not thoroughly covered, right? I want to cover as many bases as I can, but Google is your best friend. Success is not about the lack of resources. It's about the lack of resourcefulness. So when my sponsor wasn't there for me, when my mentor wasn't there for me, I used Google to get all my questions answered. And most questions you can get answered by using Google. So be super resourceful. When in doubt, just type in how to connect, for example, autoresponder to ClickFunnels. And I'll also include this link below because I don't want to be showing you something that's already out there on the internet that could probably explain it a lot better than I can. So you can simply go to Google, type in how to blank, whatever you need done. And then you'll find the answer. So like, again, if you want to learn how to connect GetResponse, you can do that here, MailChimp right here. So I'll also leave this resource below. So in this video, what you want to do is connect your autoresponder to ClickFunnels. So go ahead and do that now, and we'll move on to the next video.